Hello friends. Welcome to the new video. Today I am at your service with another strategy. I hope you like it. My goal of these videos is to prepare you for trading and joining the trading community. The time frame of our strategy is 5 minutes. And the advantage it has is that the result of the position is known quickly and it takes less time. Our strategy today consists of 3 indicators: RSI, EMA, parabolic SR. We add these indicators to the chart from the indicator section and make some settings on these indicators. The C indicator shows the strength of the trend, and with the help of this indicator we get the confirmation of the trend whether it is ascending or descending. We go to the C settings section. From the style section, all ticks except C. And we take C middle band. The EMA indicator is used to determine and identify the trend. Then we go to the EMA settings and set the number to 200 in the inputs section of the length section. So let's go to strategy time. First, we detect the trend by EMA. If the price is above EMA, it is an upward trend, and we are looking for upward positions. And if the EMA price is low, it is a downward trend and short positions are what we are looking for. Then we look at the C indicator. If it is above the 50 line, it is bullish, and if it is below it, it is bearish. We also use parabolic SR indicator for confirmation. In this position, the price is above the EMA, so the trend is upward. C is above the 50 line. We use the parabolic SR indicator for confirmation as well. The points are below the price and are bullish. So we open long position and set TP and stop loss. We place the stop loss under the previous floor and place the TP twice as long as the stop loss. In this situation, the price is below the EMA and is bearish, and the C is below the 50 line, and the parabolic SR indicator is also above the price and is bearish. So we open a short position and set a stop loss and a tip. This strategy is one of my personal strategies and I use it daily. It also has an acceptable win rate of 70%. The job is done. Now it's your turn to practice and open a position. We are at the end of the video and I will open a few more positions to complete the tutorial. Until the next video, God bless.